Hey everybody, it's Naturally Ann here and I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm doing a hair tutorial for you guys. It's been a while since I did one other than my braid out and my box braids, but you know, we back to your regular scheduled programming. I'm about to hit y'all up with twist outs, braid outs, buns, braiding hairstyles, whatever I can come up with. Yeah. If you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And if you've been here before, welcome back, me and more. I'm so thankful to have you here. Thankful that you're a supporter. Thankful that you're subscribed to my channel. And I hope that you guys are ready for my 1K giveaway. I'm picking 5 winners every time I reach a new milestone. I'm currently at 554 subscribers. So share with your friends and family so that I can get my numbers up. Watch through my last couple of videos for the clues and how you can enter my giveaway. I leave a little clue in the middle of my videos for you to leave a comment of whatever it is that I say in my clue, and that's how you enter the giveaway. Prizes will be announced again in another video. They have been announced in one of my previous videos. I'll put it in the info card, leave it in the description, all of that. And if I say that and it's not done, don't worry, I'm gonna come back because it'd be a lot going on. Can't lie to you. But yeah, so if you're interested in how I got this nice slick back bun with my 4C hair, it took me a good 45 minutes, y'all. Ain't nothing about natural hair ever quick, fast, nor easy. But it's always worth it in the end. So if you're interested in how I got this look, please keep on watching and I'll see you guys later.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away.
So I've had this scarf on for like 5 hours. And by now my hair should be extra super duper laid. And if it's not, to be honest with you, man, I'm gonna be pissed. But let's see. It's kind of stuck. That'd be the worst thing about laying your edges down and then putting the scarf on. Like, why was it so stuck? But yes, we are late. We are late. Hey, slick back. And it's really like a low puff ponytail. It's not a bun, but because like my ends are definitely still loose. This is what we got. This is cute. I got my little curly hairs to the side. I got my little hoops on. We got the swoops going, boy. I've missed my hair, honestly, but the only reason why I miss it so much is because there was not much that I could do with braids, and then it's quarantine and like we can't go anywhere, so I have all this time, space, and opportunity to play in my hair and do all kinds of things. But one thing that I'm lacking right now is product. Like, you might be thinking, Anisha, you got all that stuff right there on there, but no, I've used all of it before. I'm trying to be a hot young YouTuber, trying all the new things and the new trends, but it ain't working like that. I'm balling on a budget and I'm limited to where I can go. Freaking packages are taking forever to be delivered. Like, I literally ordered something on March 29th and it's not going to be here till May 5th. I actually want to check on that because I'm checking like every day. But yeah, anyway, that don't have nothing to do with anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like my little slick back bun. This is technically my updated routine for these. I used multiple products that you saw in the video, and yeah, my hair is super laid. We're gonna see how long this lasts because I just did it today, the day that oh wait, am I posting this today? I don't think I'm posting this today. I think I'm posting this tomorrow, but I did it. I did it, and we're gonna see how long it lasts. We're gonna see how long my edges lay. I used 2 different edge controls. I used Eco Styler gel, and I used mousse. So I should be good. Like, my little curls are popping in the bun. The little curls on the side are popping. We're here. We look cute. But yes, I'm done now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.